Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Let's have a look at problem 102, binary tree level order traversal. Actually, this is a follow-up video for today's daily challenge problem, that is problem 103. So here we're going to give a solution based on a very common pattern using list comprehension. First, I'll read through the short statement of the problem, and then we do the coding, and in between we explain the details. So here the statement is as follows. Given the root of a binary tree, return the level order traversal of its node values. So in other words, from left to right, level by level, right? So here we can look at example 1. So notice that the output format or the return is a list consisting of lists. So each element in the outer list contains the levels. For example, the first element is 3, list 3. The second element is the list of 9 and 20. So similarly, we have 15 and 7. So example 3 again says that this tree can be a null tree or empty tree. So the constraints on this problem are the following. So the number of nodes in the tree is in the range given by the closed interval with endpoints 0 and 2000. So here the 2000 actually gives us the upper bound of the problem size. So the 2000 actually for this problem is not very large. So this gives us actually some freedom. So the node values can be negative. So here the range is negative 1000 to positive 1000. So with that said, because we just solved 103, so this one is much easier, I would say. So here we just want to practice the list comprehension pattern. So first I'm going to make some preparations. So here this result is what we want to return. And then because in this problem we just need to use one special order from left to right. Don't need to specify a flag variable or just use a positive 1 or negative 1 as in 103. So then it's better to first treat the special case, that is the empty case. So here we are going to do if not root, so we can directly return the result state. So this is the preparation as edge case treatment. As next we are going to do level order traversal. So for this problem, actually it's very routine. So we can use our queue to do the job, or here we can just use list comprehension to solve it in a more coarse way, right? So if we want to do it in a more detailed way, you can use queue, right, or stack. So this corresponds to do breadth first search in some sense. So with that said, let's do this. So here I'm going to use a container. Let's call it C, just for the ease of writing. So we're going to have the root. So because we have already treated the special case, so here this C or this container is not empty. And then we can do the while loop. So while the container. And then what we're going to do is that we just use a list comprehension to add this level to the result. So here we can directly do this, right? Result append. So what we are going to append is a list. So list consisting of the values in this level of the nodes. So the values of nodes in this level. So here I'm going to do node value for a node in the container. So this is it. So we added this, and afterwards we need to update the container. So here what we're going to do as list comprehension again. So here I'm going to add the child. So for node in the container, then for child in the node left and node right. So here this order is should be respected. So then we want to check the non-null one. So we're going to use a filter to check this condition. So this is the update for this container. So afterwards, so we just need to do the return. So return the result. So here let's return this result. So this actually forms a solution format for this problem, because this problem you can solve using different code representations. So here just one, right? So as in problem 103, so here we extensively used list comprehension. So this is actually very convenient for doing level order traversal or zigzag level order traversal, because we don't need to think too much about the details. So with that said, let's first do a check. Yeah, it passes example 1, I guess. So now let's look at the generic case. Yeah, it passes all the test cases. So I guess that's about it for this specific problem. So you can check out our channel for more problems related to tree traversals or other types of problems. So with that said, I guess that's it. Thank you.